So the Samsung Galaxy S10 come out to be the best flagship upgrade for the year 2019. It's been a month since the Unpacked event, and now we have started getting the unusual stuff that do sounds like a gimmick at some point. Firstly, it's about the night mode that doesn't reflect the capabilities of this camera setup, but again, it can be improved with software settings and upgrades. Then we talk about the in-display fingerprint scanner that obviously doesn't work so well. You will experience the same thing that a lot of S10 owners complain about. And for your info, it's not even improving with the AI system. Look, I'm not against this type of technology, but yeah, at this point, I'll definitely pick the capacitive fingerprint scanner just because they are so developed, and the newer version of this will take its own good time to get to the same level. Another problem with this new tech is that it is visible under direct sunlight or if you're using your phone at max brightness level. Again, it's not a big deal, it's just a part of manufacturing, and only a lining of the sensor is visible under those two conditions. The Galaxy S10 is not the only one to do that. You can find it on other phones like the Xiaomi Mi 8. The Galaxy Fold will release next month, but there's a lot of buzz around this phone just because of the new technology and the premium feel. There's no smartphone in the making that could match the standards of this phone, and maybe because of this, we have some incomplete information on the internet about the Galaxy Fold. A new hands-on video leak is showing that crease in the middle of the display, which is obviously not gonna happen with the foldable phone. This is just a prototype with their own test, and they don't actually need to be perfect in terms of display. The Samsung Galaxy Fold will not look like this at least before 100,000 folds, and even after that, you can ask for a free screen replacement. Now, an international version of this device has been benchmarked on Geekbench with some impressive scores, and most importantly, it's running on the Snapdragon 855 chipset. Yup, not the Exynos 9820 that Samsung uses for every market except United States and China. Maybe because Samsung knows that the Exynos 9820 is not capable to outperform Snapdragon 855 both in terms of performance and handling different situations. The 7nm platform doesn't compromise with any possible aspect, including battery life. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.